Welcome to another Northwest seat cover install video. Today we're looking at the second generation Tesla Model 3 starting from 2024. As with all Northwest seat covers, they are equipped with our airbag tearaway system. The customer has selected the Neo Ultra, which is superior to neoprene in 3 ways. No stinky rubber smell, no toxic off-gassing and no color crocking. In other words, you and the kids won't notice any bad smells, and anyone with white Tesla seats won't have to worry about neoprene black dye going onto your white seats. Northwest's exclusive Neo Ultra fabric has a special white backing that is designed to diffuse any color from leaching onto your seats, and by the way, they are absolutely 100% waterproof. So, if you're looking for seat covers in a cloth fabric that doesn't promote leg sweat, check out our website for more info.